Apparently, Mother Nature woke up today and chose violence. So I already know I got a little bit of destruction and damage out on the property, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a look around, see what I can make of all these noises and stuff that I'm hearing. So let's go take a look. All right, well, let's go ahead and so let's go ahead and see what life has to offer. That looks good. Let's go take a look. All right, so yeah, I've got like the duck hole is over there. I can see some damage on the fence. I'm gonna see what we got going on around the corner here. Chairs. I have a piece of something here. This would be a piece of my air conditioning unit. That is not good, but I'm gonna hide it there for now. That's covering all the electronics and stuff. Definitely got some chairs. Yeah, right now it's actually pretty good right now as far as the wind. I'm behind this wall. But yeah, I can definitely see some craziness going on out there. So let's step into the wind. My death layers are hiding, scared for dear life. So my little roosting bar that I had, just kind of sitting up on top there, obviously fell. I need to get them some food. They're coming out to find out what the hell's going on. All right, that's moved a little bit. Actually, not really all that bad, but I know my fence is jacked up. So this is moving. This is moving. This is just piles of crap. That's all peeled up. Ooh, jeez. I can't believe these haven't gotten flying yet. I got some brooder boxes that have gone flying. My duck and chicken seem a little confused. But they seem to be doing okay. They got food. They are out of water. I'm gonna have to get them some water, get them taken care of, but they seem to be doing okay. Let's go take a look at the garden. Today we're gonna be getting rain very soon. That's gonna turn to snow not that long from now. So this fencing right here, here, let me back out. Yeah, that's kind of peeling off a little bit. Slid down. Yeah. So the garden completely stripped bare of all weed barrier. I'm gonna have to do something about that. This, I have a roll of weed barrier that is probably still 50 or 60 pounds that got tossed. It was over here holding everything down. So it's moved. This is completely ripping the poles. Yeah, and honestly, I don't know if there's gonna be much I can do with this. But you'll probably be able to see, here's some of my planters pushed all the way over. This is bowed way out. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or so T-posts bent over. It's not helping that all this weed barrier is going up against the fence and putting all the pressure on it, but it snapped just about everything off of the poles. You can see that very large gap. The fence is supposed to be attached to the pole, and it is no longer. So everything is up. None of the actual planters that are full have moved. Which I guess is good, but man, this is just never ending. Absolutely freaking never ending. And I really don't see a good way to secure all this stuff. Luckily, my tiller right here has stopped a lot of it. Everything's just bunched up, wrapped up, knotted up. Yeah. But it's stopping it. Already getting lots of new growth. Because it's been so long since this has been covered. The thing that kind of bothers me is all this weed barrier pushed up against the fence is going to rip the fence down. Really hoping it doesn't, but there is no lightening up of the wind really at all. So I do apologize about the shakiness of this video, but I'm carrying it by hand. I'm not bringing a tripod out here. And I'm kind of doing my own half-assed attempt at keeping everything good. But through all this, the 1 chicken and 1 duck that I have left are good. Everything is good here. I left my chainsaw. Yeah, go ahead and lay that down just so, you know, we don't have a shovel flying through the air at 40 miles an hour. Again, lots of the sheet metal. And like I said, Mother Nature woke up today and chose violence. Alright, I got some water here. Alright. I actually have a little break right now. So I am just hanging out in the old summer snow rabbit hutch, is what this used to be. Got a couple rabbit cages right here. We might be getting rabbits. So it's going to take a little fixing up, but I do have a little bit of a break right now of getting out of the wind so I can talk a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to run some water out to the chicken and the duck, the lone survivors. Get them taken care of so they're going to be happy. Yeah, it's just going to be waiting out the storm. Just waiting for it to die down. Then I can go out and maybe start fixing some stuff. Get the fence fixed up. Got like 7 poles leaned over. Yeah. Wind is a bitch. And it's just getting started. Welcome to spring. What it is we always get those low pressure centers coming really close to us, which causes the big wind events that we get. So wind is no joke here. I mean, I was in multiple hurricanes, and unless you're in the eye wall, you don't get the winds that you see on the news. But I was in a Cat 3 and we were sustained at about 50 miles an hour. That's a Cat 3 hurricane, and we were not very far from the epicenter eye wall of that storm. My area in my county was considered ground zero for it, Hurricane Francis. So this is very comparable. I mean, I'm hearing stuff. I haven't looked at the roof or anything yet. My roof is fine. All that stuff's pretty much fine. Yeah. Just once this all dies down, I'm gonna have to come on out, get a better assessment on things I need to fix, and start fixing. So I'm not gonna bore you with a whole bunch more. It's windy. I'm gonna get inside. My official beard reading of the wind is about 25 miles an hour right now. All right, so I'm gonna get out of the wind here. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna do much, but pain in the ass, never ending. Anyway, everybody, be safe. Stay out of the wind, stay off of the road. If you got trailers, you know, that's if you're in the Ozarks, Iowa, up in that area where we're getting all this wind, but be safe. That one almost blew me over. Good Lord.